Okay now. Good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. How are you all?
Fine. Fine.
All are ready? All are ready?
Thank you.
All are ready for class?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please mute your device. Okay. Let me request you all to please mute your device, and ma'am will call you to your name. That time you unmute and say answer. Okay. Okay. As like yesterday, today also we will do some exercise related to positional words. Okay. We did the exercise in the textbook. Okay. The same way, first we will revise the positional words. Then we will go to the textbook and we will do the exercise in the textbook. Okay. So we already studied. First of all, let us see. Let us revise. After that, we can do the exercise in the textbook. Okay. Let me share the screen first. Let me share the screen now. Okay, I'm going to share the screen now. Okay, we can revise first. Okay.
Ayyo.
Okay. Now, please mute. All of you, please mute. Okay. I can hear some sound in between. Please mute your device, and in between I call out your name. So that time you please unmute your device and say answer. Okay. So we talk, we discuss in, on, under, above, below, near, far. Then we discuss behind, in front of, then inside and outside. Then last we discuss before, after and between. Okay. So the screen will come within seconds. Okay. So we can revise the positional words with the pictures. Okay. So that will help you to answer properly. Okay. So okay. It will take some time, some 1 minute it will take. Okay. So can you see the screen, all of you?
Yes, Nora. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay then. Okay. Rayan Silish, can you see the screen? Please unmute your device and say what is the position of cat?
On.
It's on the board. The cat is on the board. Can you say the spelling of on? It's very simple, no?
On.
Say the spelling on.
O-N.
See?
O-N.
O-N. The spelling is O-N.
O-N.
Okay. The spelling is O-N. So here we can say the cat is on the board. Okay. Allah Arun. Please look at the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Please say what is the position of the cat.
Under.
Can you say the spelling under?
U-N.
Very good.
D-E-N.
E-N or E-R? Say once more. Please repeat once more.
U-N-D-E-N-R.
Once more. Look at the screen. It's written already. Okay, once more. U-N-D-E-R. Very good, very good. Okay, it is under. Okay, the cat is under the board. Now, Johan Sijo, look at the screen. What is the position of cat?
Above.
The cat is above the board. Please say the spelling of above. A-B.
O-V-E.
Very good. A-B-O-V-E. Above. The cat is above the board. Okay, Hala. Look at the screen. What is the position of cat? Position of cat, Hala?
Below.
It's below. Okay.
Below.
So say the spelling of below.
B-E.
B E
L-O.
L O
W.
W. BELOW. Below. The cat is below the board. Okay. Rukma Robin, look at the screen. Please say the position of cat.
Ear.
The cat is near the board. The cat is near the board. Say the spelling of near.
N-E-A-R.
Very good, very good. NEAR. The cat is near the board. Elroy, look at the screen. Where is the cat? What is the position of cat?
Cat is far away from the board.
Cat is far away from the board. What spelling of far?
F-A-R. Far.
F-A-R, far. Okay, F-A-R, far. Abel Anthony, look at the screen. What is the position of
Yes.
cat? What is the position of cat? What is the position of cat here?
In front of.
Very good. The cat is in front of the board. Okay, the cat is in front of the board. Say the spelling of in front of. Say the spelling. I-N in
F-R-O-N-T-O-F.
Very good, very good. So in front of. The cat is in front of the board. Jeffrey on, look at the screen. What is the position of cat?
Behind.
Behind. Okay. The cat is behind the board. Say the spelling of behind.
B-E-H-I-N-D.
Very good. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. The cat is behind the board. Okay. Now, Anaya, where are you, Anaya? Anaya, where are you? Anaya, where are you? I can't see you. Okay, let me go to another one. Devadarsh, look at the screen, Devadarsh. Where is the position of cat?
Inside.
Inside. The cat is inside the box. Say the spelling of inside.
I-N-S-I-D-E.
Very good. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Very good. Okay. Abel CB, look at the screen. Where's the position of cat? Outside. The cat is outside the box. Say the spelling of outside. O. Say the spelling of outside. O. U. T. Very good. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Okay. Now, Fardeen, look at the screen. Can you see the picture of mouse, cat and ball? Yes. What is the position of mouse? Where's the position of mouse?
Before the cat.
Before. The mouse is before the cat. Say the spelling of before. Say the spelling of before.
E.
F.
E.
O-R-E, before. Avish Boban, look at the screen. Where is the position of cat? Where is the position of cat? Say louder. The cat is the mouse and the ball. Okay? Parents, please mute your device. Avish Boban, say the spelling of between. Say the spelling of between. B. Avish Boban, please say the spelling of between. Say the spelling of between. Avish, please unmute your device and see. I can't hear you. Please unmute your device. Say the spelling of between. Avish, please unmute your device.
Between.
Very good, very good. Between. Between. Krishnank, look at the screen. What is the position of ball?
Screen.
Ball.
The ball is before the cat or after the cat?
Ball after or before or after?
Say louder. After. The ball is after the cat. Say the spelling of after. Say the spelling of after.
E-E-R.
Say, once more you say. A-F-T-E-R. After. Okay. So these are the positional words we discuss. Okay. Now we are going to do the exercise in the textbook related to these positional words. All of you have the textbook with you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now take the textbook. Take your textbook. Take page number 11. Take page number 11. Those who have textbook, take page number 11. Can you see a box having many letters?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So here what we are going to do, near that box we can see different position of cat and ball. Okay, so we are finding out the position in the box. Okay, we will discuss the position of cat and that positional word we will find out from the box. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready with the textbook? Okay, now I am going to share screen. Again in the screen you can see the question. Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute. Okay. Sankalp, can you see the screen? Sankalp, can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So in the first picture, okay, here you can see this, which I circle. Sankalp, can you see the cat and ball, which I circled in the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you say the position of cat in the circled one? What is the position of cat?
Behind.
It is behind. Can you say the spelling of behind? I will write here, okay? B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. See, listen children. See, this behind word we have to find out in the box. Okay, I will give you time and you find out. I will give you 1 minute. Okay, try to find out that word in the box. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Ishan Krishna, where's the textbook? Ishan Krishna, where's the textbook? Ishan Krishna, open the textbook if you have and find out the word behind. I will give a hint for you, okay? Behind. See, it will start from here. Then you complete it. Behind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. Sarah, you got it? Sarah, you got it?
I-N-D. Excuse ma'am.
You got the word?
Ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay, take time and find. Ivania, you got it? Ivania, you got it? You got the word behind? Ivania, you got the word behind in the box? Yes. Esther Biju, you got it? Yes. So, I will draw here. Just complete that behind, okay? In the textbook. behind, behind. Milin Krishna, you got it? Milin Krishna, you got it?
Book.
Okay, okay. You write that word in the rough book. When you got it, you copy into that, okay? Okay. Anaya, you got it? Anaya, you got the word behind? Anaya, where are you? I can't see you. Only I can see your mother. Anaya, you got the word behind in the textbook in the box?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. You got it. So we can go to the next picture. Anaya. Okay, we can go to the next one. Rukma, you finish? Rukma, you finish? You got the word behind?
Yes.
Okay, can we move to next picture? Which I am circle. Rukma, look at the screen. Can you say the position of cat? What is the position of cat in that picture? Second one. Where is the position of cat? Is it below?
In front.
It is in front of. Now, let me write the spelling, okay? I-N, in, front, F-R-O-N-T, in front, of, okay? This word you find out in the box, in front of. Okay, just I... Okay, look at I-N, in, front, F-R-O-N-T, front, of, O-F. Okay, it will start from here. Then you find out. In front of. Very good, very good. Who got the answer? See the name? Very good, very good. Okay, let others complete. Okay, in front of.
In front of. The cat is
Okay.
above the ball.
Aman Babu, you got the word in front of in the box?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. Now let me complete it. Okay. In front of. Okay. Lakshana, you got the answer? You got the word? Lakshana, yes? Yes. Can we move to next one?
The ball.
See the picture which I am drawing here. What is the position of cat? Lakshana, what is the position of cat? What is the position of cat? Lakshana, what is the position of cat?
Above.
Above. Very good, very good. Say the spelling. A B O V E. Above. Find out that word in the box. Okay. A B O V. But it's already written there. It's already marked in the textbook. No need to do again. It's already there. Okay. Now, Ritik Sunil. Ritik Sunil.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you look at the screen
Yes.
and see this picture which I am circling? And can you see the position of cat?
Yes.
Okay. What's the position of cat? What's the position of cat?
Below.
Very good, very good. Say the spelling of below.
B O D E N O W.
Very good, very good. Find out that word in the box below. Find out that word in the box. Below. So it will start here. So you just complete it, okay? Find out that word. Below.
Ma'am, I got it.
Very good, very good, very good. Let others complete it, okay? Below. Lamis, are you drawing? Are you circling the word in the box? Lamis,
Yes.
you got the word below in the box? You got the word below in the box?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Okay, very good. So I will complete here also. Okay. Shankar Krishna, look at the screen. Did you complete that circling word below?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say the
Below
position of cat? Please say the position of cat, which I am circled in the textbook. Can you say the position of cat? Sai Krishna, where is the position of cat?
On.
On.
On. What spelling of on?
On.
O-N. O. Find out that word in the box. On. It's very simple, no? It's near to behind. On. O-N. On.
Ma'am, I got it.
Very good. Who got the answer? Say the name.
Ritik Sunil.
Very good, Hritik. Now, Fardeen, you got the word on in the box? Fardeen, you got it?
Yes.
Very good, very good. Okay, here we can see on, O-N, on. Other places are there, on is also there in other places. That also correct. Okay, here this on also is correct. Okay, if you do here also, it's okay. Near to that behind word one on is here. O-N, on. That also correct. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Finish.
Finish. Very good. Very good.
ഈ കുഞ്ഞുകുട്ടിയെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടി പറയാനുള്ളെങ്കിൽ നീ പറഞ്ഞോട്ടാ ആരും പറയണല്ലോ നമ്മളെങ്കിലും പറയണ്ടേ
Okay, can we move to next one? Abel Anthony. Finish.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Finish.
Okay, good. Now, Nilha. Can we move to the last one, Nilha? Nilha, can you move to the last one? What's the position of cat? What's the position of cat here?
Under the ball.
Ah, very good. Can you see the spelling?
Yes.
What's the spelling?
U
Ah, ah.
UNDER.
Very good. Under. Now you please find out the word in the box.
Ma'am, I all finished.
Yes, very good, Johan. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now others.
I got it.
Very good, very good.
I got it.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. So here you can see the word.
Finish.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay. UNDER. Under. Let others complete. Okay. Asaria, you complete. Asaria Rose, you got the words.
I'm finished.
Very good,
I'm
very good.
finished.
Okay. Asaria, you got.
I'm finished.
Very good, very good. Asaria, you got it. Asaria, you got all the words.
I'm finished.
Very good.
I'm finished.
Ah, okay, okay, I can hear. Okay, I can hear. Okay. So let others complete. Okay. Asaria, please switch on the video.
Finished.
Ah, okay, good. Sai Krishna, good. Joanna Rose, please switch on the video and show me the textbook. Okay. Now all of you got the words in the box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me stop sharing.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. Okay. So these are the words we discussed about positional words. Okay. Now all of you completed the words in the box.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is clear for you all the words.
Yes.
Okay. 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 By this. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Now listen to ma'am. Now listen to ma'am. Okay. So by this we completed the exercise related to positional words in the text. Okay. Next day we will start a new topic. It's also about the flat shapes. Okay. Again we will come to shapes itself. Okay. So tomorrow, next day we will start a new topic. Okay. Now all of you completed. Just show me the textbook. All of you please show me the textbook. Okay.
I
Good.
don't have the.
Okay. Those who don't have text.
I don't have.
Okay. Okay, okay. Try to get it soon. Okay. And those who don't have, write in the answers in the rough book. And when you get the textbook, please write in the textbook. Copy the textbook. Okay. Okay, good. Aman, good. Very good, Jeffron. Okay, Elroy. Fardeen, Sai Krishna, I can see you. Avish, very good. Krishnaraj, Krishnanga, good. Devash, very good. Keep your textbook down. Keep your textbook down. Okay. So tomorrow we will start a new topic. Okay. So by this I am going to wind up today's session. Okay. So everything is clear to you now. These positional words. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
we wind up the session for today.
Yes.
Okay. Bye. We can see you next day. Okay. With a new topic. Okay. Bye. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye. Bye.